By failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail. That's why production scheduling and job card management is very important for the manufacturing engineering, production planning, and the operations team. With the manual and traditional Excel or paper-based or whiteboard-based job card management makes a planner and the production supervisor inefficient in creating jobs and in allocating man-machine material and the methods, which in turn affects the on-time delivery and the throughput of your production. I am making this video to show you how digitizing job card management process from scheduling, planning, execution, validation and closing will increase the production performance, improve OEE and improve demand forecasting capabilities for your manufacturing operations. There are 4 different types of production which are most commonly used: unit or job type production, batch type production, mass or flow production, and continuous or process production. Which type of production should be used by the company depends on the type of product being manufactured, demand of the product, and the supply chain of the raw materials. Whatever may be the type of production, the production scheduling and job card management is critical for the manufacturing operations, which will improve the efficiency, asset utilization, and the revenue growth. So, what is a job card? A job card is a detailed description of a manufacturing operation that is performed for a work or a sale order. You can use a job card to create and manage every manufacturing operation. When you create a job card, you specify planning, scheduling, operator information that can be used to perform the manufacturing operations. The challenges in current production scheduling and job card management are it's completely manual and paper-based process. The operator might miss to capture the details such as duration of the downtime, its reasons, part produced, quality details, list of maintenance check fails, etc. Chances of inaccuracy in input captured during the manual processes are higher. Time taken by the supervisors to compile the reports based on the inputs captured by the operator due to the manual process. Many shop floor generates production schedules using whiteboard, Excel, project management and schedule modules of ERP. Also, the traditional job card management makes unclear man, machine and material utilization during the dynamic production change. If you want to solve these challenges for your organization and your production process, then digital transformation and workflow software is the only better way for effective production scheduling and job card management. I am going to show you how Byte Factory production scheduler and job card management software help the manufacturer to schedule, plan, execute and validate the production process with minimal manual intervention and in real time to enable a smart manufacturing process. Byte Factory production scheduler software can only be logged in by authorized person from shop floor to top floor, like general manager, planning manager, production supervisor and the operators. And all the roles will have different views and the access only the relevant features of the production scheduling and the job card management. Once logged in, production or planning manager can do the component-based scheduling for individual model based on workforce, machine, material and methods availability, and also based on order forecast, actual delivery and the inventory. And even you can assign priorities for the production. Here, the integration with ERP play a critical role. You can plan your job or work order with plant-wise, department-wise, machine-wise. You can assign serial number, quantity, part and model number. And also you can even assign operator based on machine schedule. Once you schedule and plan, start executing production with auto time tracking, 5S management, operator job card visualization tool, engineering and manufacturing drawing visualization tool, work instruction visualization tools, and also IoT based downtime management system. And also visualize the upcoming jobs based on the work orders. This information helps in product traceability for any compliance adherence and quality requirements. Once part is produced, validate the part with digital quality checklist, machine OEE, and the operator performance using biometric and IoT integration, and also measure the first time pass yield. Get the various reports, alerts, and notification for machine wise, material wise, operator wise, and sale order wise for high impact insights and to improve your operational efficiency. Well, when you are interested in digital transformation of your production scheduling and job card management, your next question would be, what is the tangible benefit and return on investment? Digital job card management will improve your on-time delivery and throughput. It will improve your demand forecasting capability, optimize your operations takt time, helps to effectively manage the vendor operations and material available time, and also helps to effectively handle multi-resource requirements of operation. It even optimizes the utilization of functional machines and multi-skilled operators. And also it helps to forecast the workflow bottlenecks and the job completion time. I hope you understand more about the challenges in traditional production scheduling and job card management. Why we need digital transformation. What are the software features, insights, and reports to be considered, and the benefits of digital job card management. So, digital is already making production scheduling connected, simple, and efficient. But the biggest question I am curious is about how the artificial intelligence can make autonomous and dynamic scheduling for mass customization or lot size one based on the prediction of supply and demand of materials, revenue growth forecast, availability of man-machine material and methods. We would like to explore and implement more such advanced use cases and sharing the case studies in future. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you all in the next one.
This is the Industry X.0 Indicator Podcast. The big ideas of Industry 4.0 and beyond.